If you're looking to get a new lock set for your trailer, I have the new Rhino one here. So we do have our lock here, and then we do have the lock that's going to go here. Now this one does come with 4 keys. You can just turn that, it's going to pop down, and now we should be able to put it on. Just slide it over, push that up, turn the key, and we're now locked. And then here is your pin lock, so this is going to keep people from being able to lift this and be able to even hook up to it. And this works with just like screw action. And then I'll give you a quick look with it on the trailer here. As you see, it will go over the lip, and it has a little ball that goes up in there so it keeps it on. And then we have this little, and then we do have our pin lock here as well. If you're looking for a pretty good lock set though, this one's from Rhino. They've been around for a long time. Definitely a brand you could trust.